In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an Awin affiliate link. So what you want to do is go to awin.com, and then once you're here, you obviously then need to log in. Once you've logged in, it will take you to this window. Now, from here, we need to get to our dashboard. So go ahead and go to your accounts, then click on your name. Then it will take you to the Awin dashboard. From here, it's pretty simple. You just want to go ahead and go to Toolbox, hover over it, and then go to Link Builder. Now we need to create links from companies which we've already been approved for and we've joined. So you can see if you go to advertiser here, you can see different companies or advertisers that you've joined or haven't joined. Obviously you want to click on the companies that you've joined, and if you click on this box, it's going to then bring down a list of all of the different companies that you can promote as an affiliate. So I've only joined one, and it's Web Hosting UK. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now if we go ahead and click on the profile, it's then going to take us to the profile of that company. And here we can see all of the terms, we can see the commissions, you can also see the performance. So after you're on this page, if you then go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, you'll see links to their website. So go ahead and click on website, because we are going to need this to generate our link. So here is the Web Hosting UK's website. So now going back to Awin, we've got a company selected. We now need to enter in a destination URL of that company. Now you can go ahead and link here to any different URL. I'm just going to link to the main homepage of the company, but if I wanted to be specific, I was sending traffic to a very specific offer, I could link to maybe only premium web hosting. So you could link to this page here if you wanted to. For me though, I'm just going to go ahead and copy the URL of their main homepage. Then once we go back to Awin, we can paste in the destination URL here. We can then go ahead and click on generate link. And then once we've done that, if we scroll down, this link here will be your Awin affiliate link. You can see here it will have your unique ID. You can go ahead and then shorten that link. And now you've got a shortened affiliate link from Awin. So that's how to do it. I hope that did help you out.